Okay. Hello, 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 hello. Okay. I'm back again. Okay. Saturday. Finally. The last day of learning something. Finally, I can be free. Today I had a great day in terms of learning and stuff. Everything went cool. Everything went chill. I did everything I could. You know, uh, I was a little bit on the grind mood for in August or something like this, right? Uh, will it be forever? This thing? Yeah, probably. Well, you know what? Yeah, and I've been doing something called, Messenger, just pretty basic, I think. Yeah, and it turns out, you know, just because I did that already, just a part of it, I'm actually kind of ahead at uni, which is great, which is really good, right? So anyway, today we're gonna do obviously the same thing with the game jam and whatever. The same fucking thing each fucking day. I'm gonna be grinding. I'm telling you. Okay, let's actually count how much time I've been spending on this thing. YouTube. Uh, okay, and view your channel. Okay. Let's count how many hours. Okay, 1 hour 40, 2 hour 40. Actually 2 hour 50. Now that I think about it, 2 hour 50. 5 hours, 6:30. 7 hours, 8 hours. Okay, 11 actual hours. 11 to 12 hours. Okay, this is great. This is actually great. 11 hours have been put into this, which is great. The week hasn't ended yet. I think I'm gonna put at about 20 if I do a good, a good stream tomorrow. Okay, now I'm not sure. I'm guessing I can, be late. I just hope nothing is gonna go wrong with that. Because I have a lot of things to do tomorrow. A lot, but I think I can manage that. Okay, so now we are back. What I've been doing? Yeah, I've been testing some things out. I've been refactoring all over the place, right? Refactoring, and now we have the perfect thing that I have to do. Okay, that was gonna be great, right? Yeah, that was great. Up or down? Okay, up. Same. Okay. Which corner do you prefer? This one. I guess I wouldn't mind it. Now there's one last thing to do. You have to wake up. And from there, this is the start action, right? From there on, we have to call, make, phone call or something like this. Let's find some phone calls at the free sound, which I'm gonna do right now. A phone call. Call this. Okay, this is something. This is a bit scary. Like a phone call.
Okay, talk to you later. All right, see you later.
See you later. Okay. Phone call. I mean, how do you call this? Phone ringing. Phone ringing. I think so. I think so. Bit. A bit. Okay. This is scary. This is actually scary. Holy shit. Okay, this one. No, this is scary too. Okay. Okay, this one is good. This one is good, I think. Okay, download it. Okay. Okay. Phone type. Okay, I'm gonna use this. And I'm gonna have this here. Resources, FX. I'm gonna put this here, phone for now. Okay, and I have to make a list, which is gonna be text. Probably gonna show it in Explorer, create it here, and the FX. And it'll have to be, oh, I forgot. Oh my god. Credits, right? Credits, so I don't forget them. Who is this? Who is this? It's Tim Gormley. Tim Gormley from Free Sound. Hey, this is phone ringing. Okay, whatever. Tim Gormley. You have the credit. If I make it, right? Maybe the sound ain't gonna cut it. Okay. Start action. Yeah, custom action I could do. Custom action. Custom start action. I don't know. I don't know. So I'm gonna have a phone, right? It's gonna be obvious. I don't know how exactly I'm gonna do this. Is it actually gonna be Framble like? Probably yeah. Oh yeah, it'll have to be. Okay. So we go here, we go to resources, we're gonna go to prefabs, and I'm gonna have this. What? Was it only one? Oh, it's this, yeah. Fourth one. Fourth one is gonna be a little bit more interesting than this. I'm gonna have to drag this here. I'm gonna put this, yes, at 0, okay. You're fine. Yeah, and I have to make something out of it, which is gonna be, okay, this thing have to disappear. Okay, I'm gonna create and put something in here. Okay, okay, I'm already sleepy as hell, but it's gonna be great. Yeah. Okay, let me think about this. Let me actually think about this. Because this is insane. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this one is gonna be like, okay, let me put scene here. So this one is gonna be something special. This one is gonna be, yeah, maybe I'll add, square, alright, which is gonna be like a floor, obviously. So actually at 0 and maybe 5, -5, and maybe -2, maybe -3, maybe -4, yeah. And it's gonna be 3 times wide. 10 times, 100 times, right? 500 times, yeah. Yeah, maybe 20. 20 is going to be great. Probably -5, actually, now that I think about it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put this here. Maybe 5. How this looks, you know, without the background or whatever. Yeah, actually looks fine, but yeah, I'll have to move across this, which is gonna be interesting. It's obviously gonna be interesting. Okay, I'm gonna add those here. Apply this all. And now I'm gonna delete this, and we'll see how it goes. Is it gonna, you know, be this way or that way? I don't remember. Okay, this works. But there's only one but. Fourth. Yeah, it has to be like. Okay, which colors again? Okay, I'm glad that I made a palette, right? I'm gonna need this a lot. Okay, this is gonna be this color. And I'm gonna put this right here. Okay. That's all. It's supposed to be. And let's look at this again. Do I want to make it like this or not? Okay, how to start a formula, right? How to do it. Okay, am I gonna add another function which is gonna be start action, make noise, start action, whatever? No, actually no. I think what I will have to do is I'll have to make a custom, you know, call of the thing, right? Custom call. Just gonna be just, you know, custom. It's gonna be really custom, and it's gonna be, you know, like it's not gonna consist of much repeating patterns. So yeah, each one is gonna be unique in that sense. So I don't have to worry about that too much. Okay, let's create this script. It's gonna be tutorial. Event, make. Maybe events is actually what I need. Oh, what of it? Make phone call. Online. Right? And it's gonna be an event. As easy as that. Okay, Unity events. Let's read about them. Because they will help me a lot. Okay, this is in Russian. For you all, I'm gonna have to read it like this. A Unity event. Event callback that persists with the scene allows to register for runtime persistent listener. You can use this class to add runtime listeners or define persistent listeners in the Unity editor. My event is new Unity event. Okay. Event invoke. Invoke. Okay, let me think. What can I do? Okay, I can have required some point. No, actually, you know what? I think I don't need that. Okay. Actually, I don't need that. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start doing, and probably gonna be some kind of function. I'll be like void event, right? Something like this, and it's gonna consist of primarily gonna be just I don't mind. Let's start routine, right? Start some kind of routine. Let's get that for now. Okay, private my numerator is going to be and phone ring, right? So now it's going to be just making a noise, right? So obviously zero, quiet code and type audio something source. Okay. You're gonna need an audio clip, serialized field. It's gonna be audio clip, phone ring clip. Yeah, I'd be awake. Gonna find the audio source. Audio source, it's gonna be audio source equals get component, audio source, like that. Okay. So we have the audio source. Now it's gonna call this one here. The source, play one shot, and actually, you know what? Yeah, play one shot. Phone and clip has to be looped. Loop. Is being looped. No, it's actually not repeated. Okay. I'm gonna have to do it like this. Resources. Go here. Below in background. Background. Oh, I mean the other source itself. Right. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? What am I actually doing? Hello? Let it just be a fucking phone. Tutorial phone. Which rings. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. I'm overcomplicating things again. It's just event. Phone ring. Start event. Start ringing. Something like this. Ring. And start a core routine. This event. Which is just phone ring. Jesus. Phone ringing. And for the sequences, I will have to have, you know, and action, like start action, and action, and like. Okay, how do I do this though? How do I do this? Shit. Start action. Start action is gonna. Well, shit. Action stay. Start action speed. When it's gonna be ended? Who the fuck knows? Who the fuck knows when it's gonna be ended? Okay, use the turn null for now. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Phone ringing. Yeah, probably. I'm actually gonna play this one shot, but I'm gonna have a timer. So time less than 1. Well, actually, it's less than 5 seconds. I'm gonna add this and slowly, gradually gonna add time. Those time. Gonna be just this. Yeah, I'm gonna gradually increase the volume. Yeah, blur the float from 0 to 1 time over time divided by 5f, right? Actually, serialized field audio clip float. I mean, um, uh, I don't know. Phone increase time. I don't know. Increase time. Yeah, it's gonna be this, and it's gonna be assigned to audio source volume. Source volume 0. So obvious. Well, actually, before this, right? We played this before. Yield return null, just 1 frame. Okay, after that, phone is going to be ringing. Okay. Okay. And it's going to be attached to the phone that I'm going to make now. It's going to be sprite square. Yeah, it's going to be a phone. Okay. How am I going to make a phone? Probably like this. Okay, it can be big though. Okay, I'm not sure how we're gonna do this. I think it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be actually like that. Maybe like this. I don't know. And maybe 16 actually is the way to go. So yeah, it's gonna be like something like this. And then, I don't know, I don't know. Okay, that's not no. Okay, I know. You just have to put my mind to it. Okay, once I put my mind to it, everything is good. Okay, and maybe like this, and maybe like that. Okay, now we have the thing. Okay, now I have this. Okay, now I can add this. Now I can add, like that. Add this. Maybe like this. Maybe like that. So this is gonna be like that, I think. And maybe like that. And maybe this one needs a little bit of, okay, a little bit of that. Okay, maybe like that. Okay, maybe like that. What's going on? Okay. This now works. And maybe this needs a lighting up too. Maybe like this. Yeah. Okay. Maybe like that. Okay, how can I make this look funny? Like move, 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 move. Actually, I may have an answer to it. I just need to like remove that here and move this here. Yeah, it adds some kind of effect, right? Some kind of funny effect, right? Yeah. Yo, this is trippy. This is trippy. Am I gonna have drop frames because of this? I hope not. Okay. And now this moves here. This moves here. And now this moves here. This moves here. Maybe this one needs to move here, right? Yeah, and then the normalcy once again. Normalcy is gonna be like root, root, root. Okay, root, 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 root. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so this is root, 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 root. Okay, so this has to be like this, this. 1, 2, 1, 2, root, root. And then put this here. Root, root, root. And I have to delete this, and I have to delete this, right? Root, root. Okay, and the last frames are gonna be just that. Put this as much of this 16, right? Root, 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 root. Okay, maybe more. Maybe 24. Root, 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 root. Okay, this is now great. Okay, now I can do something with it. Okay, drawings for my thing, which is gonna be HGGJ. I'm gonna put it here. Phone ring. Okay, I'm gonna have to find this now. So hard drawing. HGGJ. Phone ring. I'll put this here. Take it. Put it in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Control X. I'm gonna put this here. Okay, 16. Apply all of this. No, don't need that. Yes, thank you. Okay, now slice it. Make it 16 by 16. Okay, slice it. Apply it. Thank you so much. Make animation out of this. Okay, let it be looped. Let's say, actually, you know, delete this. Make this again. Oh shit, I've opened it. Shit. Okay. Again, put this. Make phone. Ringing. Save this. This is just, no. This is just phone. Okay. Again. Create this. Animations. Okay. This is the phone. It rings. It's cool and stuff. Textures. Whatever. Phone ring. Gotta be here. Like that. Okay. How fast is it? Okay, let's take a phone ring, for example. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Okay, it's gonna be Let's have. Well, actually, I need this data. Okay, it's gonna have some kind of light attached to it, right? Source light. Okay, I'm gonna move this phone ring into the phone. Where am I gonna move this? Probably here or here. Okay, I'm gonna actually have to take this, view the sequence, which is gonna be 4 sequence, right? I'm gonna put this here. Actually have to put it here. Put the phone here, like actually here, like here. Okay, I'm gonna have to apply this. Override, apply all. Okay, phone is gonna be there for now. Phone is gonna be here. I'm gonna put this phone away. No. Okay, now it's gonna have an audio source. Actually, I'm gonna have my new component. It's gonna be this. Audio clip is gonna be phone. Okay, now we have the audio source. Okay, now let's test this one because I'm not sure what to do. Okay, let's delete that. Okay, well, that was a mistake on my part. I have to firstly make sure that this guy has increased time. Now I can save this. Now I need to overwrite this, apply this. Now we have a phone. Yeah. But it doesn't get called, right? Okay, maybe put this at the await. Let's ring at the await, and we'll take it from there. No, no. Not like that. Just delete this, and yeah, now I can go. Okay, it rang only one time. Hello? What is this? It has to ring a lot. It's on the loop, but it doesn't ring. So it's play one shot, right? Yeah, I think it's because of the play one shot. I actually have to load this in and play this as a normal human being with the audio source. Flip is this. Flip like this. Flip is that. Okay. What is a square? What does it do? Like, get out. I don't need you. You know what? I actually want to put something. I'm not sure. If I play Rihanna right now, am I gonna get striked? Is that what's gonna happen? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's what's gonna happen. Okay. This is not great, but whatever. The sound is not great. Yeah, and attaching the camera on the end of the event. How do I do this? Attaching the camera. the end of the event. Tutorial. Whatever. Okay. Yep. It's gonna be like that. Okay, our speech. Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm gonna have to think about this one for now. Okay, have a sequence step with fade. Gonna do its own thing. Call some start actions, and that's it. Okay. Don't know where they're going to end though. Well, I can add start action, which is going to be, well, it's going to just become, like a mess, but I'm already, like, okay with that. Okay, becoming a mess. Actions. Okay, let's create a new action. We'll call this, start action, give, whatever. Camera control. Give camera control, right? And it's gonna be what? Okay, it's gonna be serialized field, float. It's gonna be, await time, before time, right? Before time, just gonna do one F. Start. Gonna have a coroutine, which is gonna be, and obviously isolate action. Start action. Public void start action. It's gonna be just calling coroutine. Just gonna start coroutine. So it's gonna be private. If private enumerator. If camera roll in seconds. Yield return, you wait for seconds or time. And then give to who, right? Give to the camera. So I'm gonna have the camera, which is going to be camera main, yeah, component, add component, game object, add component, gonna be camera follower. So I think it's something different. Is it camera follower? Yeah, it is. Let me add camera follower. You can wait, and then it's gonna be the if camera. Oh, in seconds. Okay. It's gonna be purely timed. right? Purely timed. Okay. Assets, resources, scenes, whatever. Main camera. Yeah, resources, sequences, tutorials, and fourth one. It's gonna be start action. Get camera control. Gonna be awaiting time 5 seconds to do that, and it's gonna have, probably some kind of triangles just to give me the idea that I can do this. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. Now let's play this one, and let's see if it gives me the control in 5 seconds. Hello. Do this. Down, up, same. Which corner do you prefer this one? Couldn't agree more. Okay, even though I'm the listener, sound isn't getting far, right? Yeah, so I have to do that. Okay, I have the phone, right? The phone is gonna have whatever. Oh, actually, I should have. Well, whatever. Whatever. Oh, well, why do I do that? I can just add the fourth one right away and delete this one because it doesn't matter. Right? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what I do. It's all in prefab. That's the beauty of it. Okay, obviously there's going to be borders, but I don't have to worry about that too much right now. Okay, now let's find a way to make this phone do it like that, and something about the spatial blend, I think. Yeah. Okay. 550, spatial blend, something. 1. Start, action, give camera control, phone ring, audio source. Spatial blend is 1, audio source, min distance is 5, audio source, max distance is 50f, audio source, whatever. I think that's it. Right? That's it. Okay. Okay. Now I can recompile. And yeah, I think it's good so far, but yeah. Yeah, serialized field float, push speed, gonna be 5, 3, yeah. This is gonna be, okay, so I have a camera folder. E, it's gonna be this. E, push speed. Oh, I cannot make this. Okay. What a shame. I cannot change this at all. Mm-hmm. Whatever. Camera follower. Make this public then. Make this public then. I can change that. Okay, this camera. All the controls it needs. Push speed is push speed. Okay. No shame in that. Okay. Let's cook. Let's cook. Okay. Okay, this is great. This is great so far. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, 5, 50, and 1. Yeah. I have to think of the way I am going to do this. So don't interrupt me, please. Talking to myself, Jesus Christ. Okay, also, I wanted to play with light. Once I have the hand, time to play with the lights. Actually, I didn't want this to be this big. Actually, maybe I want this to be, like a little bit more like that. Yeah, a bit more like that, and maybe not so strong, right? Right, and maybe 2. Yeah, this looks better. This looks actually better. Okay. But yeah, the problem is the thing. Okay, maybe inner radius. Maybe 10. Okay, it's more pixelized now, right? Okay, maybe 10. Okay, maybe 10. Maybe 10. Maybe 8. Real. Ooh, this looks better. I don't know which one was better. To be quite honest with you. Okay, yeah. Yo, this is weird. Okay, this is weird. Yo, this is actually weird. Holy. Okay, and actually, I can make a script, which is, gonna be, cursor scalar, right? And it's gonna be responsive based on, the cursor thing. Okay, I have to only make 15 minutes. God damn it. It's gonna be like a small little game. It's not gonna be some huge game, okay? 15 minutes. Okay, lock in. I can do this. 15 minutes is actually possible, I think. Yeah, just have to sort everything out before doing anything. Okay, 24 is good. Now, yeah, those little things, left and right, I'm gonna add cursor scalar. The thing it's gonna do is, it has a scale, right? It's gonna double that scale, okay? Probably gonna double that. Or, yeah, it's probably gonna double that. Okay, so we have the cursor distance, right? Serialized field, load scale value, going to 2f, void update is gonna be for constantly checking the cursor, mouse position, and get that in the vector 3 world something. Oh, camera world main world to screen point, right? And screen to point. Yeah. the vector 3 mouse position. Okay, and the mouse position is fine. Mouse position, mouse position. Okay. What do I do with the mouse position? I say, you know what, man? Mouse position. Okay, so you have the radius of scale, I think. Oh, it's gonna be just, you know, okay, the distance between me and you is gonna matter because my transform local scale is gonna depend on it. It's gonna be new vector each time. I'm gonna have mouse position minus transform position, but it's gonna be actually lerp. It's gonna actually float lerp the value based on that. Float current scale current scale is gonna be just lerp mat f lerp this based on the x based on the y. Oh, actually, just mouse position minus transform position, and this is gonna be magnitude, right? So A is gonna be float old scale, gonna be transform, gonna be awake, gonna be old scale, is gonna be transform local scale x, right? The current scale is gonna be f lerp from old scale to scale value based on that divided by 1f. Okay, and vectors in current scale, whatever. Okay, gonna do that, and I'm gonna be back in just about a couple of minutes. I have to go to the bathroom. Yep. Hello. Hello. I'm here again. Okay, I've been taking some time off. I think it was kind of productive. Okay, let's see this scalar, right, that I've made. Is it actually scaling? Is it actually scaling? No, it's not. No, it's not. Because I didn't. You know what? I didn't recompile this, right? No, I did. I did actually recompile this, but it doesn't change the scale. So the question is, what is happening, right? What is actually happening? Why does the scalars just won't move, right? The local scale right now. Where, how, and when? Now this one, right? Those don't have it, but the left ones and right ones should have it. Oh, I divide by something. 1f divided by this. Okay, scale value is 2. I have old scale, which is 1f, obviously. So it's going to be somewhere between those, right? And the magnitude of this also. Mass position, transform position. The magnitude of this is going to be something. Okay, let's print the current scale. Okay. Who and how and why and when. Okay? That's the question. Who and how and why and when. Okay. Mouse position, screen to world point. Oh, with the Z probably. Yeah, I get it. The Z has to be, like mouse position equals new vector 3, mouse position X, mouse position Y, 0F. Okay, that's because of the Z. That's because of the Z thing. Okay. Now we can move from there. Now we can move from there. Now I can descale things, which is great, which is totally great. Yeah. Okay, now it's working out. Yeah, now it's smooth. Okay, now I'm adding those to everyone. Everyone will have those. Sequences in the resources. I'm gonna take those, all of them, and I'm gonna say, you know what, man? We're gonna have scalars. This is scalar. It'll be this. First scalar is gonna be that. Yep. Okay. Now I can move. Now it's gonna be more satisfying each time I do this, right? Okay, this has the style. This has the passing motion. But there's something wrong about this, right? Something wrong about this thing. I see that it does something that it isn't supposed to do, right? Okay, and also I don't like the way it's being transitioned, so exponentially. Okay, let's do exponential stuff. It has to be exponential. Okay, exponential acceleration. No. Has to be exponential. Lamp, the lerp, timer is gonna be exponentially changed using, in, out, cubic. Just out cubic, right? Out cubic, and it's gonna be like that. In cubic. Yeah, let's try this one. Okay, and I will have to click on this, right? Ding, 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 ding. Something like that, right? Yeah, now this works good. Now we can see this. Yeah, now it's good. Yeah. Now it's cool. Okay. Yeah. Exactly what I want. Yeah. Okay. Now click on this and whatever. Right. Click on the phone. Someone, the guy is gonna grab that phone. You're like, shit, I have to wake up. Boom. The room is lit up. Right. Essentially lit up. And I can see stuff. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be cool and whatever. Yeah, but I'll have to do my inner task. Okay, maybe I'll look at my stuff, like my projects and whatever. Like shit, not today, whatever. I'm doing this, I'm doing that, whatever. Right? You know what? Actually, I'm done. Actually, I think I'm done for the time being. Wow. I thought I was gonna be staying up late, but turns out I am burnt out. I'm actually burnt out. I think it's time for me to stop because this is a bit scary. No, actually, before I go, I need to do this one thing, which is going to be, the actual room, right? Because the room is going to be hidden, right? I will not see it. It's going to be hidden. It's going to stay hidden. Okay, so I'm going to have to create the room first before I go. Okay. So we're going to have the room. It's going to be here. Okay, those will have to go away, right? The squares or whatever. They're not there. Okay. We have to wake up the triangle or whatever. Okay, now I'm gonna create an empty, which is gonna be room. And in the room, there's gonna be all sorts of things, right? Okay, so if this is the phone, well, actually, let's place it somewhere here. No, actually, the center is fine. Yeah, this is the phone. First of all, it's gonna be smaller. It's gotta be smaller. I'm sorry. This has to be smaller. Yeah. Now that it's smaller, maybe 0.75 or something. Oh, sorry, I did the wrong thing. Wrong scaling. Okay. Phone is going to be 0.75, 0.75. Yeah, it's less visible, right? Or is we have to do? Yeah, I think one we have to do. Okay. So I'm gonna click on this. He's gonna wake up and whatever. Right. So I imagine that the phone just lies on some kind of table, right? So some kind of table. Let's place the. You know what? Let's actually make a primitive thing, right? Out of primitives. So this is gonna have to be the table, right? Whatever it is. And 0.2, no, actually 1.2. And like that, right? Gonna be this, where our phone is. This is kind of our table, right? 0.2, 1, year. Okay, this is our table. Okay, so this is kind of our one. Push this down. Push the tempo. 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 Okay, 5. And I'll do it like this probably. Okay. It's gonna be totally black. Totally black. Okay. My bed is gonna have to be something like, I don't know, 0.2. No, it's gonna be, 0.5. Yeah, something like this. Something like this. And maybe, a bit taller than this, maybe. 3 is actually gonna be this. Or maybe 2. Yeah, 2 is great. Okay. We're gonna click on this, maybe like that. Maybe the thing will have to be maybe the leggies, okay, 0.2, maybe 0.4. You can see the grounding. So maybe like that, maybe a little thinner. Okay. This is gonna be out there. You'll have to do something like this. Yeah, this is the bed, the bed. It's gonna be this, and 5, and 3. And maybe some kind of pillow, square little pillow, and 5, maybe 1, kind of a pillow, right? That pillow is gonna have to be something a little bit blacker, okay? Some more dimly lit, right? Just making this out of the primitives, right? Yeah, this is what it's gonna look like, right? All the squares, let's add them in. Let's commit this. Let's delete this now. Let's add an actual sequence. Will be the first step. Play. Let's do it. Okay, this looks. You know what? Actually, I like this style. I actually like this style. It could be both. It could be both this and that. Oh, it's actually great. Okay. I actually kind of like this. Move away from the sound. Yeah, this is actually kind of great. But yeah, it's gonna have to be hidden. All of this is gonna have to be hidden, right? Okay. Yeah, I have it in mind. Okay, tomorrow is gonna be a great day. It's like gonna be a big day. Okay, I've committed 1 hour and 30. Okay, 10 of those minutes I pooped. Okay, and I think I still did some progress. Some progress. Okay, I actually did some progress. Okay, yeah. So tomorrow's gonna be a big day, right? I'm gonna do a lot of things. Obviously, like I have to, because the next week for me in the plans are like an actual coding one, because this one was supposed to be like I was supposed to plan for a week, but actually I hate planning. I hate planning. I actually hate planning. Like as much as I love it, I hate it too. Like when it comes to like actually making something, I'm making something in like seconds, right? And then I'm just implementing. I don't like thinking about something too much, because I just get like get blown away and stuff like this. And I don't like it. But yeah, I think we're done. I think I'm actually liking what I'm seeing right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye bye.